Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be well appreciated. Ulefone will finally be launching Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra very soon. I have talked extensively about this rugged phone on this channel, and at some point, we thought Ulefone won't be launching the phone anymore. But finally, the wait is over. Launch for the Armor 23 Ultra has spearheaded Ulefone's IFA 2023 Expo, and Ulefone has now revealed more details and design of the Armor 23 Ultra. As expected, Ulefone said that Armor 23 Ultra will ship with an IP68 and IP69K and military standard 810H certification. The build looks kind of similar to what Ulefone showed at the Mobile World Congress in Fira, Barcelona. Also, the Armor 23 Ultra has support for two-way satellite messaging. In terms of specifications, however, it looks like a lot of things changed. Some of the changes may be considered disappointing. Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra will be getting a 6.78-inch FHD Plus display, rather than 1.5K like in the previous design. It also gives no hint of it being an OLED display either. We also don't know if it comes with an under-display camera like the version released at MWC. Ulefone Armor 23 is driven by the sub-premium Dimensity 8020 chipset compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the previous version. In terms of camera, Armor 23 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup of a 64-megapixel night vision camera, 50-megapixel flagship camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and 8-megapixel 3x telephoto camera. On the front side, Armor 23 Ultra will come with 50-megapixel HD camera. It will obviously run on Android 13 and it will also be 5G capable. The battery size is however disappointing at 4,950 mAh, but it made up for the low capacity with a ridiculously fast charging of 120 watt and 50 watt wireless charging. Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is expected to cost around $650 when it launches. What do you guys think about this newly designed Armor 23 Ultra compared to the previous design? Do you guys think Ulefone should have released the previous version, or you just don't care either way? Let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.